Are you ready to revolutionize your gardening game? The Mantis 7920 tiller might just be your perfect tool for small garden spaces. But before we get started, don't forget to use the links below for the latest deals and top-rated alternatives to make the most informed choice. This gas-powered tiller from Mantis weighs in at just 20 pounds, making it exceptionally lightweight and easy to handle. For gardeners with limited space or raised beds, this compact design ensures it's effortless to maneuver. You can lift it with one hand, store it with ease thanks to foldable handlebars, and transport it without hassle using the convenient carrying handle. Now let's talk power. Despite its size, the Mantis 7920 is equipped with a commercial-grade 2-cycle engine that packs a punch. It handles tough soil preparation like a pro, thanks to its durable, one-piece cast gearbox and patented serpentine tines. These tines are built for deep, effective tilling up to 10 inches into the soil and come with a lifetime guarantee against breakage. Whether loosening compact soil, mixing in compost, or preparing for planting, this tiller gets the job done. Starting the Mantis is a breeze with its simple push-button priming, ergonomic speed control, and thumb-accessible on-off switch. Once it's running, the gas pedal adjusts the power based on how hard you pull back, giving you full control. It might take a little muscle to operate in reverse, but the backward motion allows for deeper penetration into the soil. For gardeners who need precision, this tiller truly shines. It's small enough to navigate between tightly spaced plants, making it ideal for vegetable gardens, raised beds, and narrow spaces. Plus, it works right up to the edges of garden walls and borders. The compact design doesn't compromise on performance. It remains sturdy and powerful enough to handle most small to medium gardening tasks. Things to note. While the Mantis 7920 excels in its class, using it in reverse for deep tilling may require some effort. Additionally, it may not handle extremely rocky or heavily compacted soils as efficiently as larger tillers. However, for its size and price point, it delivers incredible value for small-scale gardening needs. Looking for the best string trimmer for small yards? Find out how to zap weeds fast. It's ready to play on your screen now.